Hi, I chose a Gemini Belay carabiner with reactive gate technology as my project. For the market definition, it is a new and safer carabiner because it is evolution of double gate carabiner. It used for all climbers, therefore it can appear in gym with climbing and the outdoor climbing activities. For the market size, there were 1 million visits to indoor worlds in 2017. About 10,000 of us climb regularly, and the numbers are growing by 15 to 20% a year. In 2015, pushing for it to be included, the International Federation of Sport Climbing estimated there were 35 million climbers worldwide, so there is a really big market size. This innovation leads to mechanical coping mechanisms used in rock climbing or mountaineering, where there is a strong focus on safety, strength, and weight of the equipment. It is important that product is lightweight and small to use. So you can see the Gemini Belay carabiner is light, small, and with a strong strength. Its innovation is a device to improve the safety of rock climbing and mountaineering participants by use of a reaction joint that allows the simultaneous opening of both gates of a double gate carabiner. The reaction gate of the carabiner can be opened alone by depressing the gate without opening the action gate. Simultaneous opening for the gate is accomplished only by operation of the action gate in these embodiments of the innovation. For the price and market test strategy, it is not expensive, but it's more expensive than other initial styles. It is around $16. But the sales are not as good as the competitors, maybe because the price, but it has a good response for the Gemini Belay carabiner, so it will have a good potential for the market. For the competitive advantage, the double gate carabiner concept is further enhanced for safety proposed by the Gemini Belay carabiner with reactive gate technology that allows simultaneous opening of both gates to assure a smooth and safe transition from a belay position to another climbing position. So there is a strong focus on the safety, strength, and the weight of the equipment. So it really has the advantage than other products. It's my sources. Thank you.